Get multiple return values from numba vectorize. I am wondering if it is possible to get multiple return values from a function compiled with numba.vectorize. I am using the vectorize decorator for a function that takes in a series of arguments, and performs an iterative root finding routine and then returns a solution. The vectorize functions works perfectly because all of the arguments in the returned result are all the same dimension. The problem is, the solution doesn't always converge. I like to return a true/false array that tells me whether the solution has converged or not. I realize this can be achieved with govectorize, but the scalar syntax of vectorize is nice, and since all of my arrays are the same dimension, it seems silly to need to bring in govectorize. Does anyone know if it's possible to return 2 or more arrays from a numba.vectorize compiled function?
The quick answer is of course, no. From the numba docs. While numba.vectorize will produce a simple ufunc core functionality, the function you are decorating operates on scalar operands and returns a scalar value. However, if the interest is in creating a compiled function that will handle computations in a vectorized manner, but return multiple values, this is still possible with vectorize. In the below example, a function signature is defined with only one dimension in the signature, but it will happily operate on the entire array, if it is multidimensional. I know I said in the question, I know I can do this with vectorize, but I did not actually understand this fact that the function would work on an array of unspecified dimensions, essentially as a flattened array. I thought you needed to specify the dimensions exactly, and I haven't yet seen this behavior documented, though it might be. Prince.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.